Hello everyone, welcome to TechTed.com. So many people have asked this question that they are not getting how it is being solved. So I just thought of explaining it. So have a look here. First of all, the question is from GBN, right? Go back in. Here the value of n is 4. And this 4 is says what? Window size. Okay, so what is the window size? 4. Now every sixth packet is being transmitted. Every sixth is lost, right? So if every sixth packet being transmitted is lost, right? So whatever packet we send all sixth. So let's say we start from 1 2 3. So this sixth packet will be lost. Then again 1 2 3, and then sixth packet will be lost. Okay, so every sixth packet will be lost. Fine. So here the target is to transfer 10 packets. Now it is being asked that how many transmission will it require, right? Nice. So uh, let's solve it with sender and receiver, and we'll focus on uh, that how each transmission goes. Okay, so to start with, so this is our sender and this is receiver. Okay, now let's start, and as this is go back and let me talk about it first a bit. So what happens is when this first packet is transmitted, okay, so basically this was the drawback in stop and wait. So when in stop and wait we transfer and wait, so we transfer the first packet, we stop and wait until acknowledgement arrives. But in go back in what we do, we keep on transferring, right? So till the window size, so our window size is 4, so we will keep on transferring each packet. This is our window size, so till the window size. And if you have also seen my previous illustration, what happens to keep the transfer optimization, this window size is chosen as this first packet will receive the destination, okay, and then the acknowledgement will come back. So acknowledgement comes back for the first just after the this window size. This is window size, so window just after the window size transfer. Okay, so just after this transfer of window size, that is packet number 1 2 3 4, this is not sequence number, okay, this is packet number as I have started from 1. So just after this the acknowledgement for first one comes, right? Good. Now here 4 packets are transferred, one window is transferred, right? Now as acknowledgement comes, window will transfer, right? That's why window will slide, that's why we call it sliding window. So now our current window is, what happens, source transfers a packet, okay, and this current window is now from here to here of size 4 2 3 4, and then packet number 5 is included in window and 1 is excluded out of window. Window is sliding down, okay. As for 1 we have already got acknowledgement, so we know that this packet has successfully arrived at this receiver. Nice. Now fifth is transferred, similarly sixth is transferred, this is sixth packet, sixth is transferred, okay. So when fifth is transferred, afterwards the window will move. So I will not slide this window each time down because things won't be clear. So assume that for each transfer down below, window slides to this 4 size, that is window slides down. Now so the sixth is transferred. As we know, every sixth packet is lost, so for sure this packet, by rule of this question, this packet won't reach here and it will be lost. But sender yet doesn't know about this packet that it has been lost, right? So meanwhile the response, that is, see, fifth we transferred when we got acknowledgement from 1. Now sixth we transferred when we got acknowledgement from for this 2. So I'll let me also draw the acknowledgement. So this is acknowledgement for this 2. Now we will get acknowledgement for this 3, so we will transfer the 7. Okay, so we will transfer the 7. This is 7th packet. Now this we will get this 4, acknowledgement for this 4. So we will transfer the packet number 8. Fine. Now we will get the acknowledgement for this, so we will transfer the packet number. Let me write the packet number here. So it is 6, it is 7, it is 8. Now we will transfer the packet number 9. So packet number 9 is transferred. Okay, now we will get negative acknowledgement for this, right? Now where is my window? Window is right now from 6 to 9. Window is right now 6 to 9, but at this point, as the 6th packet is lost, we won't get acknowledgement. Okay, so we will get negative acknowledgement here. So we will get NAC. NAC for what? 6, right? So it means that 6th packet is lost and I have to transfer the 6th packet again. But as this is go back in, we go back, we discard all these transfers, successful transfers also, and then we start transferring from 6th packet again, right? So window is reset. Now I will again start transferring from 6th. So here again it will transfer packet number 6. Okay, this is packet number 6 and my window is now here. Okay, again 7. But as you know, this was your 6th packet which was lost, but question says each 6th packet is lost, so next 6th from here will also be lost. So after this discard, this lost, this is first, I'm writing it here, this is first, this is second, this is third, this is fourth transmission, this is fifth. Okay, and here packet number is 7. Then I'll transfer 8, and as this is again after this 6th, this packet, this is again 6th, so this is 6th, and as per rule of this question, this will be lost, right? So every 6th transmission from the sender side is lost. So this was 6th which was lost. Again when we count from here, our counter, that is this lost counter, starts from 1, and again this 6th is lost. Okay, so again this packet is lost. Meanwhile I have transferred 4 packet because this is go back in, and I'm using the concept of pipelining to improve the performance. So I have already transferred packet number 9. Okay, but this is lost. Now the question is when I will get acknowledgement for this. So meanwhile, when I get acknowledgement for this, I mean when I have transferred this packet number 9, I'll get acknowledgement for 6. This is my window size. So I'll get acknowledgement for this 6, that 6 has successfully reached, right? Then I'll transfer packet number 10. So I'll transfer packet number 10. Then this is my packet number 10. Okay, and my this lost counter will reset to this is 1, this is 2, right? And this is 9, and this is packet number 10 I have already transferred. Now afterwards I'll get acknowledgement for this 5, so I'll transfer this packet number, I'll transfer this packet number I don't have any more packet to transfer, right? So I just get acknowledgement and wait, right? Now, as this packet is lost, this is next sixth, this is lost, so I'll get this negative acknowledgement. As I get negative acknowledgement for packet number, this is packet number 8, right? 8. This was first 6 which was lost. So as I get packet this negative acknowledgement for packet number 8, I'll transfer it again. So to transfer it again, I have to reset these things. I mean, already this successful transmission of 9 will also be discarded, and now my window will reset from again 8. Okay, so again I'll transfer packet number here 8, right? So now 8 is transferred. So now window is here. Now 8 is transferred, 9 is transferred, and my counter I need to reset again, right? So this is 1 2, this is 3, okay, this is 4, then 10 is transferred, this is 5. So this next 6 I am not reaching, which will be discarded, right? Because my all packets are transferred before next 6th is discarded, right? So that's how I'll have to now count how many transmission I have done to transfer 10 packets. So if you count this, you have done 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. So to transfer 10 packets, how many transmission we have done? We have done 17 transmissions.